Hello everyone, I'm Jabaria Scott, a leadership coach and consultant, and welcome back to my channel, the best place for new and emerging leaders who want help navigating challenging situations in the workplace. I'm back with another vlog, weekend style, what I do when I'm not working. So I'll take you with me to brunch, to a local market, and I'll also show you some of the meals that I prep for my lunch for the week. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching. Hello there, I'm happy to announce the launch of my ebook about how to get promoted fast. It's a no-fluff, detailed guide to landing the job of your dreams. So if you're a person who's tired of getting passed up for promotions, or if you're someone who's just ready to get noticed as the competent and capable professional that you are, then my ebook is for you. I share specifics on mistakes to avoid so that you're the most qualified and viable candidate when that job posting becomes available. I'll leave the link in the description for you below. Thanks in advance for your support, and let's get back to the video.
Oh, sorry.
It's okay.
I'll just do that.
It's fine. Yeah, perfect. Thank you. And you said these are two with the allergenic,
Oh, tell you what, give me one of these two.
I'm gonna get one of these.
Sambusa, Somali street food.
Doesn't taste bad at all.
It's
This is good. No, I don't really need one. Thank you. All right, awesome. Okay. Which one did you say was the better?
Her favorite is sweet potato orange pecan.
Okay.
They're all good.
Yeah. Okay.
Especially all of them good.
So I'll
Banana, peanut butter, chocolate
sweet
chip.
potato orange pecan. That's the one I'll get then.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
I know you love it when I call you baby boo. You going crazy and I love the way you doing it. The way you back it up on me, I swear you too good. The way you love it up on me. And I'm thinking, can we keep it in secret? Don't put that girl, I'll be honest. No wonder why you be asking if I'm the one for you. I see the stars in your eyes when I look into it. You're so amazing, girl, I picture you so perfect in me. I'm gonna write the pistols, no, not the pistols. I mean, your attributes and the way your body move, maybe an article, posing it up like I'm script. I'm loving the role you play. Can I call you baby boo?
Oh boy, you're my right hand. Show me love, tell me you're the only one for me, boy. When you hold me, I feel it. Oh, it's still went up in the air. I'ma show you my love now. I'm the only one for you, boy. Ba-da-ba-ba-da-day. You make what I call you. Ba-da-ba-ba-da-day. Yeah, my heart just to call you. Ba-da-ba-ba-da-day. You make what I call you. Ba-da-ba-ba-da-day. Yeah, my heart just to call you.
So we just got back from brunch. I changed my clothes and laid down to take a little rest, but I better get up to do some meal prep because if I continue, I will never get up. So I'll show you what I'm about to prep for our lunch for the week. So these are the ingredients for a soup that I made in another What I Eat in a Day or Day in a Life vlog. It's a cauliflower soup that I make that I'm going to make for us for lunch for this week. And these are all the things I put in it. You can go ahead. I don't know. I don't know what I want though. So here's what's left of the donuts that I got. I should have filmed when I first got them, but we devoured them, so there's not much left, but they were really, really good. So this is the end of the vlog. If you enjoyed this video, let me know in the comments below if you want to see more vlog style videos just like this one, what I get up to when I'm not working on the weekends. As always, be kind to yourself. Have a great week, and I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.